SME 啦，咁你見到咧，佢嗰個題目上面咧就係問 importance of 呢一個 SME 嘅 ，OK，to Hong Kong company，sorry，to Hong Kong economy，咁所以佢係 based on Hong Kong 嘅 context 去講啦。咁當然啦 ，SME 大家都知佢其實主要有兩個幾常考嘅部分，第一個就係嗰個。sorry 應該係三個，第一個就 definition 啦，第二個就係個 characteristics，第三個就係嗰個嘅呢個 importance 啦。OK， 咁你會見到佢呢度有啲唔同嘅items 啦，譬如 promote market competition by offering more goods and services。咁呢個係嘅，我哋話 SME 有個重點就係佢可以透過競爭啦，因為會多啲人開唔同類型嘅商店啦，咁你令到你有多啲唔同嘅選擇，個價錢亦都會下降啦。咁當然仲有大家可能都會記得嘅就係佢會 provide 嗰個嘅job opportunities 啦，咁所以第三呢一個都係啦。咁但係佢佔嗰個比率嚟講咧，就大概係45%左右啦，喺香港嘅 total employment， 咁唔包呢一個嘅公務員嘅。OK， 係啦。咁當然，如果大家都仲記得另外呢個 point 就係我哋都會話嘅就係 serve 嗰個一啲narrow market 啦，或者 support 嗰個嘅 large company 啦。OK， 咁呢都係佢嘅 importance。咁而至於第二個咧，佢係 provide over 90% of profit tax revenue 咧，咁呢個就係錯嘅。OK， 係啦，佢冇咁講，但係反而佢係 90% 係咩嚟咧？即係如果大家有印象就係香港超過98%嘅business 都係 SME，咁呢個反而係真嘅。咁所以呢條最後個答案應該會係 C 咯。